Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I've come up with another exciting news that some of you are waiting for. Okay, so the Capgemini, they have announced the pooled campus hiring for the 2022 batch engineering and MCA, right? So we'll get into the information. So this is the entry-level software engineering job into Capgemini. So Capgemini, as you know, it's one of like the largest companies in the world. Okay, in the IT world. Okay, they operate over 50 countries and they have an employee strength of more than 3 lakhs. And this entry-level software engineering job, like the salary offered is 4 lakh per annum, and they've also mentioned that there will be a one-time incentive of 25,000 to be paid for candidates after completion of 1 year in the organization, right? And important dates, the last day to register is 15th of December 2021. The interview date will be given later, but what has been given is the assessment date has been given, so it is starting like on 18th December itself. Okay, so 3 days after the last date, okay, the assessment will be commencing. And coming to the educational qualification, BE BTech, it is open for all branches of BE BTech. And as far as the ME MTech is concerned, IT, the information technology, information science and computer science, only these 3 branches of ME MTech eligible, and the MCA also eligible. And coming to the percentage criteria, now it is mentioned that the candidate should have a minimum of 60% above in diploma graduation and MCA. And like graduation, they have mentioned aggregate of 7 semesters, but I guess some of you would either be awaiting the results of 7th semester, or probably yet to even write the 7th semester. Okay, but they have mentioned like aggregate of 7 semesters, and MCA they mentioned like aggregate of 5 semesters. Okay, in many cases MCA is a 2-year course now, right? Okay, anyhow, so this is what they have mentioned. Okay, and so accordingly, whatever results you have, I think up to that you should face the minimum criteria, right? And usually they don't ask for the 10th 12th marks percentage criteria, but here they have not actually mentioned anything regarding the 10th 12th marks. And so coming to arrears, they have clearly mentioned the candidate should not have any arrears at the time of appearing for the process. Okay, so whatever results you have, like there should not be any arrears as of now. And coming to break, okay, the candidate should not have more than 1 year of gap between academic milestone stages, that is like 10th 12th and graduation or post graduation, whatever. Okay, so there should not be any gap, like not more than 1 year. There should not be more than 1 year gap, and within an academic milestone. Okay, so there should not be any gap. That is, for example, if BE should be completed in 4 years, means it should be completed in 4 years. Okay, taking like 5 years to complete it is not permitted. Okay, and year of passing, I've said this before, 2022 batch only eligible. And please remember, there is a service agreement. Okay, so usually it is like 2 years, though here they have not mentioned. They just mentioned that signing a service level agreement bond, okay, is essential. And they've also said that okay, the candidate should possess written and communication skills. Okay, will be willing to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology domain role, and should be ready to work in shifts required. Okay, and very importantly, okay, so what they have mentioned is the candidates who have already attempted Capgemini Campus 2022 assessment process will not be eligible to apply. Okay, that is something that they have very clearly mentioned. Okay, so I repeat, those who have already attempted, okay, so probably in the campus or something. Okay, so those who already attempted the Capgemini Campus 2022 assessment are not eligible to appear for this. Okay, and mode of selection is completely virtual. Okay, and so as they always say, arranging the desktop or laptop or network connection and all that, it is the responsibility of the candidate. Okay, now coming to the assessment process, so they have like 5 steps. The first one is the technical assessment, like pseudo code. Okay, so coding based, questions, technical questions. Okay, and then you have like MCQ based English communication test, and then there is game based aptitude test. Okay, in our channel Learning About, we have the exact like questions asked in the previous hirings. Okay, this is a unique testing technique used by Capgemini. Okay, and we have videos related to this in both like English and Tamil. Okay, so those of you who are going to appear for this, I would recommend you to go through this. The link to that video is given in the description below. You can make use of it. And so those who qualify these three only would be sent for the interview. Okay. And between this, you also have something called as behavioral competency profiling, which is like a psychometric test. Okay, so basically they check your attitude and like your perception towards work and all that. Okay, so they check that, and then finally technical and the HR interview, right? So technical and HR interview, the regular like questions that you can expect, typically you can expect there. Okay, now as I said before, only those candidates who have cleared the test assessment from step 1 to step 3 will be invited for the interview. Okay, and the behavior profiling module, as I said, they're trying to do this for understanding the profile of the candidate. Okay, and they'll also share a work style report. But merely because they share a work style report, that does not mean that the candidates have cleared the test assessment. Okay, so that they have mentioned. And this is regarding like how to apply the last point. I'll say that later. And so they operate in 13 locations as far as India is concerned. And now about this particular hiring. Okay, so as I said, this is entry level software engineering hiring. Post the completion of the hiring process. Okay, so there will be an intense 8 to 10 weeks of training program of Capgemini. I guess mostly this, as of now, this is happening like completely through their online portal called as Next. Okay, and it will be, the training will be done by the faculty of Capgemini, also faculty of Capgemini. And so the training is important on diverse technologies like insight and data, digital technologies, enterprise application solutions, cloud infra services, web technologies, testing and system technologies, and so on. Okay, and the allocation of technology depends on business demand and your credentials. Okay, now coming to how to apply. So the platform is Superset platform. By now you are aware about Superset platform. So Superset platform is a platform that connects the job seekers, companies, and the colleges. Okay, now link to apply is given in the description below. You can click on that link. And now if you are already if you already have a Superset login, just enter your email ID and then your password, and then just apply for it. Okay, so if your application is accepted, it will reflect in your profile. If your application is rejected, it will tell you why it has been rejected. Okay, now if you are new to Superset platform, okay, so there is a video on how to register in the Superset platform. The complete detailed video is there. Link to that video is also given in the description below. Right now, so enter your email ID, click on register and apply, and then enter your basic details, like your email ID and phone number and other things. Okay, and so that you please double check and then confirm, because those details you will not be able to edit it later. So once you do that confirmation, then you have to confirm your email ID. You will get an OTP. So you just do the confirmation. After that, you have to enter your contact details. Okay, your most recent education, previous education, internship and work experience, if any. You have to upload your CV, biodata in a PDF format. You have to upload your photograph, and then finally you have to apply for this particular role. Okay, so the detailed video is there. You can make use of it. Now, if you like this information, please click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to answer your queries. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.